ZERON ZA210LC is a crawler excavator, 100% electric, zero emission, in the class of 24 tons. Maximum reach is 9.92 meters, maximum digging depth is 6.67 meters, and maximum bucket size is 1.2 cubic meters. Nominal engine power is 128 kilowatts, the battery capacity is 300 kilowatt hours, and the onboard charger is 88 kilowatts. The machine combines the autonomy of a battery-powered excavator with the benefits of the unique power management concept PeakShaver Plus. The machine can work continuously around the clock with a power supply of 400 volts, 125 amps in 3 phases. The machine comes with an option for DC fast charging with up to 200 kilowatts with a CCS2 connection. Disconnected, the machine will be able to operate for up to 6 hours. The machine can be delivered with a power connection between the tracks, and with a ZERON automatic power connection system will be convenient to handle on the construction site. With full utilization in PeakShaver Plus mode, the machine will have improved availability compared to a traditional diesel-powered excavator, and it will have low operating costs both in terms of energy consumption and maintenance. The ZERON ZA210LC is very quiet and vibration-free. It will contribute to a better working environment and improved safety at the job site, since the communication does not have to compete with the noise from the diesel engine. At the construction sites in densely populated areas, the inconvenience from noise will be greatly reduced. In operation, the machine will not emit the greenhouse gas CO2. It does not emit gases or particles such as carbon dioxide, nitric oxides compounds, unburned fuel, or soot, and it will therefore not contribute to reduced local air quality for the benefit of the job site health, safety, and the environment. Nasta Special Application has developed this excavator together with customers and suppliers, with a desire to contribute together with builders, contractors, machine operators, power companies, and other stakeholders to help shape the future more sustainable solutions for construction sites.